left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
So we're up in Middletown, Rhode Island at an RV park called Meadowlark. It's a nice little park, kind of pricey. No weekly rates, no monthly rates. It is daily, right? And I think they have seasonal.
Yeah.
But they got a nice little courtyard here. We're on the main drag, but that's pretty much all there is. But we're gonna go show you around real fast on a little bike ride. Come take a look over here. I want to show you some cool stuff. So they just redid all of their spots up here, 50 amp. Pretty cool. Right here in the middle of the RP park. Right here is where I want this stop at. This is a historical cemetery right here in the middle of the RV park. So this little mountain is actually a cemetery. So these are the tombstones right here. So you can't really read anything, but I just thought that was pretty cool that I wanted to come show you guys. Yeah, it's my power lines.
Down low as well?
Down low is 0.
Okay. This is so interesting. A historic cemetery in the middle of an RV park.
Yeah. So imagine getting spot number 41, waking up in the morning.
Oh my gosh. Imagine your dog's going over to try to use the restroom. That'd be terrible.
20.
I would feel so bad.
20 spot.
All right.
41. All right.
Interesting.
All right. So this is the lower side of the lot. There's a dump station as you pull in, and then they have all the full-time or seasoners down here. They have AstroTurf, gravel lots. That was
Now
it.
you know this is here.
Take another lap.
Let's go.
That was the whole park. So we're gonna go to the beach.
So Newport has some of the oldest houses in the country, and the reason why is because they were preserved by when the British occupied Newport. They didn't burn anything down like they did in Boston and other places.
Okay.
Their houses, this one's 1801, but they're all over. You can find them from the late 1600s, mid 1700s. Very cool.
Wow.
That is cool. And then you said there is the oldest restaurant and the oldest hotel here?
Yeah, White Horse Tavern. There's like a restaurant in, I think it's like 1661 or something like that.
Wow.
Crazy.
1740.
1740. That's 37 years before the end of the Revolutionary War. That's insane.
And this is exactly how I envisioned the house would look back then. Oh, that's so
Yeah.
Come hang out with some friends for breakfast. Bless you. We get a historic tour.
breakfast was delicious, by the way. So good.
So 4th of July here is awesome. They have a total reenactment.
Do they really?
Yeah.
Cannons, they bring out the actual cannons.
Made it to the beach. Now we're gonna get some.
Minute till I get out there.
We're gonna get some drone footage. A big wave, Dave. So we're in Newport, Rhode Island, and we're doing a tour of the breakers. I just downloaded our audio tour. So,
Welcome to the Breakers. I'm Monty Burnham, Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Preservation Society of Newport County. Cornelius Vanderbilt II built the Breakers in 1895 as a retreat by the sea for his family. The is allowed for first.
Sir,
yes.
we don't allow anything that extends.
Okay, so we don't extend it. There we go.
For everyone's safety, selfie sticks, tripods,
Oh, now I just heard it.
photography.
See, I paused it to talk to you.
Also, the other thing is, please don't put that on speaker. Play it very quietly. We prefer earbuds.
Oh, do you have any earbuds?
No, you have to bring them yourself.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you so much.
All right, if someone else wants
Holy.
to download it.
We're good, let's go.
Download the audio tour, you just can't play it.
No, don't get going. It's fine. I'm actually a lot of music over this.
I'm going to throw the lady off the balcony.
Get the whole thing. I want to try to make some house.
She down my first. I said, do you offer refunds?
Go, you and David, go. We're not gonna let you guys go to the gym in the morning anymore. No more pre-workout.
Yeah. Did you guys have pre-workout today?
He did. He made him a special pre-workout this morning.
Okay, now that's the problem. You guys had
He has
pre-workout.
pre-workout, yes.
What is this little cool mechanism right here?
That's part of the night watchman's clock system. See the clock up there?
Yes.
See the grid?
Is it like clock in and
There's a
out?
paper grid that fits right on top of that.
Okay.
So when he makes his rounds, there's 10 of these units. When he makes his rounds, he puts the key in, turns the key, it sends a signal to this, and the stylus marks.
That he was at the room.
Correct.
They have that now. It's all electronic and digital.
Well, this was...
You do a key fob.
We didn't have electronic, but look, I think it's pretty sophisticated.
It is very
For
sophisticated.
1895? Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's amazing.
That's how that works.
And this is another switchboard.
That's the enunciator. So all the brass buttons you saw in the bedrooms
Yeah.
and all over the house, that's where they go.
Oh my God.
So it lights
that
up
would
who's
be
calling.
blank. You don't see the white dots, okay?
Okay.
So you press a button, the bell rings to get the butler's attention, and the little disc drops down. He sees which room
For
he's
calling from.
Yeah, and then he'd send somebody up there to take care of it.
Wow. That's awesome.
You may have seen in some movies where they have like a row of bells and somebody pulls a strap and the bell rings. Well, this is like an electronic version of that.
That's crazy.
Just ask you don't go ahead. Just
Oh, wow. There's still wine in there.
champagne. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Wow. This is the main panel of the house.
Oh, the breakers. Oh, I love it. Oh, the breakers of the breakers.
That's right. Yeah.
Oh, look at you got the watch.
Actually,
Oh, that's a
I
bolt.
went through a couple years.
300-foot tunnel.
Yeah.
Oh, I would love to know the history of what happened in this tunnel.
Yeah, and that's what makes me go crazy.
Normally the tunnel comes the other way. So these pictures on the wall.
Oh, wait.
So,
We got an EMF story here, ghost story.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
There's always something suspicious going on. But, so their youngest daughter, Alice, died. She was 5 years old. There's a picture of her in Mrs. Vanderbilt's bedroom above the bed. Right, and I'm pretty sure that's who the ghost is. Because between Mrs. Vanderbilt's room and Mr. Vanderbilt's room is a bathroom.
Right.
It's their bathroom. And behind the ropes, there was a chair with a towel on it.
Yeah.
And a footstool with a towel on it. And I have on multiple occasions found bare baby footprints on that towel.
Like a little 5-year-old's step, like an imprint.
And I'm like, I have no explanation for it. Nobody on my staff has a little twinkle.
Right.
No one working here.
What?
How
many times have you seen it?
I don't know, like 4 or 5 probably. It's not like a lot, but it's enough.
But it has happened.
Not a coincidence.
And you look at it now constantly.
Oh, I do every time I go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And like other things happen, like I'll turn lights on, I know I've turned them on, I'll come back right before we open and one particular one is always off. It's almost like they mess with you a little bit.
Right.
But nothing crazy.
Nothing
cool.
scary, just
No.
more like they're messing with you.
Yeah.
Yeah.